Hello everyone, welcome back, or welcome. This is the mail I was waiting for today. I mentioned on my Instagram stories that I got a filofax for $12, brand new. And the only reason is because I somehow had credit. I had $100 credit that I didn't even know I had. So, oh yeah, the rings are bigger. So it's here. I don't know what color this is called. All I know is that it was a personal size. So it came with this, which is week on 2 pages. Oh, it's a 2026. Ooh, I thought it was undated. Okay, so we're already in February. Okay, one hand is hard. So let's put you here, out of the way. Okay. Not sure how that is. And this plastic thing, I've seen some people keep it because they make like a dashboard out of it, which I'm gonna attempt to do that. Okay, so what is this color considered? Come on. Stiff, because it's new. And why is it stuck? Okay. So impatient. Let's use our elbow. I should have put this on my tripod. What is happening? Okay. It's got lots of stuff inside. Have I ever ordered filofax? Yes, I've ordered a filofax from the website before. I don't know, I've ordered one that came with all this, but it was a couple years ago, so probably that's why I don't remember. Oh, I do remember these tabs. I thought they were a little bit plain, but I wish I would have kept mine. So it comes with several inserts, as you all probably know if you've ordered filofax. A little clear pocket, some colorful paper that I'm not a fan of. I will keep it for now because I tend to get rid of things and then I wish I wouldn't have gotten rid of it. So, and here's the rest of this plastic thing. Okay. I've never owned one of these before. My other one is a compact, but it's a different name for it. It doesn't have this. It's not this type. It's, you've seen it. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen which one I have. This is more of fetch tan leather. It is fetch tan leather. That's why it's so different. I can't speak. What is this one here? Let's take a gander. Okay, so we know, elbow again. This is a pen loop. What is this? Is this a pen loop? Oh, okay. It can pass as a pen loop. What's going on here? It's a little tight, but yeah. Okay. I like it. So, what color would you call this? It almost looks blue, but it's not. It's like a gray blue. It's very nice, very beautiful. It does not smell like it doesn't smell like leather, it smells like chemical. But I guess it's just a process that it's been cured with and everything. I'm just glad that the rings are bigger. I like it. I like this little pad that has back here, this little clear thing. I need to get everything off and see how I can transfer everything. I always wonder what this thing was for. Guess that's what it's for. But, all right. Let me see if I can put this beauty all together.